Welcome. Vlogmas 3. I'm gonna go over 5 reasons why you should get a B58. First though, I do want to check my coolant real quick. I don't have like a coolant leak, but there was a moment. Apparently, I guess like a little bit of coolant was coming out or getting evaporated because my cap is a little bad. Damn. FCP, but I don't know if you guys could see. You guys can barely see it. So this is the coolant I've been using, or I actually just picked this up not too long ago. It's already 50-50 mix, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit. Yeah, let me go ahead. Pour this coolant in real quick.
You a bad bitch, And I know I did what I did, but when she asked why I still lie, she say, boy, you ain't gon' survive, She say, baby, you like that shit, Baby, you.
Just started, babe. You know the vibes. About to let her warm up. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I like it. Once I get the antenna, I'll be able to get Apple CarPlay. Oh yeah. Today's video is about 5 reasons why you should get a B58. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, you should buy a B58, the price point. I got mine for about like 32. I could have got it for cheaper, but I got some warranties and then taxes, and also, believe it or not, this car was up in San Francisco. You could probably find one for cheaper, honestly, maybe even 28. Even cheaper, just depending on the mileage. But that leads me into the next point. Oh, also, you know, you don't have to get an M240 or an M340. You could get a regular 340, a 440. Also, I believe if you're in the UK, you could get the M142. So I don't know if I have any overseas people watching, but yes sir, M140 is also fire. But the thing about the M140 is it has a wagon, like a hatchback. So moving into the next point, reason number 2 why you should get a B58 is reliability. Honestly, this car hasn't given me any problems yet. As long as you keep up with the maintenance, just like any other car, it's gonna treat you well. It's gonna take you a long ways. I'm trying to think. Only thing I really done was the PCV, but you know, that's a common issue. Also, I think my coolant might be leaking, but I think I might just have to get a new cap. But once I get the cap, we gonna see. If it's not that, then might be a hose, might be water pump, but nah, I would know if it was a water pump. But reliability for sure, B58. I am hyped that this car is so reliable, given it's a BMW. But yes sir, let's move on to the next point. Reason number 3, you should get a B58. Easy bolt-ons. So everyone knows downpipe tune, downpipe tune, downpipe tune, but also, let me see, downpipe is down there. You know what I mean? So we are downpipe, but also the drop-in filter, air filter changes are super easy. Just pop this off, you know what I mean? Boom, drop-in filter right then and there. Also, you could get the K&N filter too, but you could wash it. But I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of annoying having to wash it. But still, you could do that route. And also, you guys know I got the intake pipe. It's one piece FTP. I did have the silicone tube and the turbo inlet, but I kind of felt like there was a boost leak somewhere in there, so I just went ahead and bought the FTP inlet just because it's all one piece. I do not have a charge pipe, not yet. I kind of do want to get the titanium one, but also that's a bag, bro. And also it's just a charge pipe, so I might just get the FTP one. Same time, people say you don't really need it, but I don't know, just to be safe, I want to get it because I'm stage 2 now. Stage 2, so just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna go ahead and get a charge pipe when I can. Full on intake, but you know, people say OEM's the best unless you have upgraded turbo, and I do not have an upgraded turbo. Not yet. Hey, I will see you at reason number 4. Reason number 4, tuning capability. That's the main reason everybody's flocking to B58, because you could tune these things with so much power. The power to money ratio with the B58 is ridiculous. Like, honestly, if you just kept everything stock, you get a downpipe, which is like 200. You get the tune, 500. That's already 700, bro. You're good. And really, if you want to push ethanol, get you a high pressure fuel pump. That's like, I got mine for like 300. So that's a band altogether. And now you're already at like 500. Come on now. But yeah, you just pick your tuning platform. And once you pick your tuning platform, you're gonna be able to tune your car with just this device and an app and your phone or a tablet or your computer. Stock is, I believe, 330. Stage 1 is like 400. And stage 2 is like 450, 470, maybe 5, depending if you got Gen 2 or Gen 1 B58. But yeah, the gains are ridiculous. And stage 2 plus, you need a high pressure fuel pump as well. So, and I believe that's for sure 500 plus. But yeah, you gotta run ethanol for that. If you got ethanol close to you, stage 2 plus is for you. Let's move on to stage 5. Reason number 5 you should buy B58 is it's a BMW. It's a BMW engine. Or, you know, you could go Toyota MK5 Super Vibes. But, you know, if you want to stay true to it, BMW is the way to go. So, like I said, thanks for watching. These were 5 reasons why you should buy a B58. I promise you won't be disappointed. It's an amazing engine. It's an amazing brand, amazing community. Everyone is very helpful, knowledgeable. There are some dickheads, I'm not gonna lie, but it's worth it. You know, I promise you won't be disappointed. So I hope this video made you buy B58. If it did, leave a comment below.